Assembly steps. First, open the quick release clamp ring on the standpipe. Then, pull the vertical tube out of the standpipe to an appropriate length and tighten the quick release clamp ring. Use an Allen wrench to remove and then reinstall the sunflower. Screw on the vertical tube after attaching the handlebars. Rotate the safety buckle outwards. Pull the folding handle down while lifting the standpipe. Step on the tail wing, push the handlebars forward hard until the locking pin fits in the slot, then rotate the safety buckle inwards. Flip the instrument to a proper angle and tighten its screws with an Allen wrench. Open the quick release clamp, adjust the handlebar height, and fasten it. Rotate the handlebars for alignment and tighten the left and right double through stem screws with an Allen wrench. After completing the assembly of the new vehicle, check whether the power, on-off function and other functions are normal. Full light switch. Horn. Gear shift. Single and dual drive switching. Folding steps.